Hello students, today I am going to teach 8th Standard Maths Chapter 1 Exercise 1.3. In this exercise, we are going to learn the properties of rational numbers. Let's move on the exercise. The first question, verify the closure property for addition and multiplication for the rational numbers minus 5 by 7 and 8 by 9. So closure property for addition, if A and B are two rational numbers, A plus B is also rational numbers. First we have to find the sum of A plus B value. Here the A value is minus 5 by 7 plus B value is 8 by 9. Here denominator is different. We have to arrange the same denominator. So cross multiplication method. So plus into minus, minus 5 9s are 45 plus 7 8s are 56 divided by 7 9s are 63. So plus 56 minus 45, the answer is 11. So 11 by 63. So 11 by 63 is also rational numbers. So closure property for addition, the formula is if A and B are two rational numbers, A plus B is also rational numbers. So next for multiplication, if A and B are two rational numbers, the product of A into B is also rational numbers. Next, here we have to find the product of A into B. A value is minus 5 by 7, B value is 8 by 9. Here cancellation is not possible. Just multiply the numerator value, plus into minus, minus 5 8s are 40, 7 9s are 63. So minus 40 divided by 63 is also rational numbers. So the formula is if A and B are two rational numbers, A into B is also rational numbers. Therefore, closure property for addition and multiplication is verified. Second one, verify the commutative property for addition and multiplication for the rational numbers minus 10 by 11 and minus 8 by 33. So commutative property for addition, the formula is A plus B is equal to B plus A. Here the A value is minus 10 by 11, B equal to minus 8 by 33. First we have to find the left hand side value A plus B. Here the A value plus B value. Here also denominator is different. We have to arrange the same denominator. So in 11 table 33 is possible. So 11 3s are 33. So first we have to convert the first rational numbers. So multiply 3 and divide by 3 also. So 10 3s are 30. Plus into minus, minus 8. Here the common denominator is 33. So minus 38 divided by 33 is the left hand side value. Next we have to find the right hand side value, B plus A. First we have to write the B value, next A value. So minus 8 by 33 plus minus 10 by 11. Here also we have to arrange the same denominator. So multiply 3 and divide by 3 also. So minus 8 minus 30 is equal to minus 38 divided by 33. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. So commutative property for addition is verified. So commutative property for multiplication, the formula is A into B is equal to B into A. Here the A value minus 10 by 11, B value minus 8 by 33. First we have to find the LHS value, minus 10 by 11 into minus 8 by 33. Here cancellation is not possible. We have to multiply the numerator and denominator. Minus into minus plus 10 8s are 80. Divide by 11 into 33, the answer is 363. Next we have to find the RHS value, B into A. So first you write the B value into A value. Here also the same answer, 80 divided by 363. LHS equal to RHS. Therefore the commutative property for multiplication and addition is verified. Third question, verify the associate property for addition and multiplication for the rational numbers minus 7 by 9, 5 by 6 and minus 4 by 3. Associate property for addition, the formula is A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Here the A value is minus 7 by 9, B equal to 5 by 6, C equal to minus 4 by 3. First we have to find the LHS value. First you complete the B plus C value. So B value is 5 by 6 plus C value is minus 4 by 3. Here the denominator is different. We have to arrange the same denominator. So in 3 tables 6 possible. So 2 times. So 3 2s are 6. So multiply 2 and divide by 2 also. So the common denominator is 6. The first numerator value is 5. Plus into minus, minus 4 2s are 8. 5 minus 8, the answer is minus 3. So minus 3 divided by 6. Here cancellation, 3 table 1 times, 3 table 2 times. So minus 1 by 2. So B plus C value is minus 1 by 2. Next we have to find the A plus B plus C. Here the A value is minus 7 by 9 plus B plus C value is minus 1 by 2. Now we have to arrange the same denominator. So do the cross multiplication method. So plus into minus, minus 7 2s are 14. Plus into minus, minus 9 1s are 9. Again denominator with denominator, 9 2s are 18. So minus 14 minus 9. So same sign. So minus 23 divided by 18 is the LHS value. Next, we have to find the RHS value. So, A plus B plus C. First, we have to find the A plus B value. Here, A equal to minus 7 by 9 plus 5 by 6. Here, the denominator is different. We have to arrange the same denominator. So, do the cross multiplication method. Plus into minus, minus 7 6 are 42 plus 9 5s are 45 divided by 9 6 are 54 plus 45 minus 42. So different signs, we have to subtract the answer. 45 minus 42, the answer is 3 divided by 54. Now cancel 3 table. 3 1s are 3, 3 18s are 54. So A plus B value is 1 divided by 18. Next we have to find A plus B plus C. Here A plus B value is 1 divided by 18 plus C value, here C value is minus 4 by 3. Here also addition, we have to convert the same denominator. So here 18 3. So 3 table 18 possible only. So 6 times. So multiply 6 and divide by 6. So 3 6 are 18. So 1 minus plus into minus minus 4 6 are 24. Divided by common denominator is 18. So minus 24 plus 1, the answer is minus 23 divided by 18. So the LHS and RHS values are equal. Therefore, associate property for addition is verified. Next, we have to find the associate property for multiplication. The formula is A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. First, we have to find the LHS value A into B into C. Here, B value is 5 by 6 into C value minus 4 by 3. So, multiplication, here cancellation is not possible. Just you multiply the numerator value and denominator value. Plus into minus, minus 5 4s are 20 divided by 6 3s are 18. Next, we have to find A into B into C. Here, the A value is minus 7 by 9. B into C, already find the answer, minus 20 divided by 18. Here, just you multiply the numerator value and denominator value. Minus into minus plus 7 into 20, the answer is 140. 9 into 18, the answer is 162. Here, 2 table possible. So 2 tables 70 times, 70 2s are 140. Here 2 table 8 2s are 16, 1 2s are 1. The LHS value is 70 divided by 81. Next we have to find the RHS value. So RHS value, first you complete A into B, the product of A into B. So here the A value is minus 7 by 9, B value is 5 by 6. Just you multiply the numerator value. Here also cancellation is not possible. So plus into minus, minus 7 5s are 35 9 6 are 54. A into B into C. So A into B value is minus 35 divided by 54 into C value is minus 4 by 3. So minus into minus plus 35 into 4, the answer is 140. 54 into 3, 162. Here also cancellation possible. 72 table 70 times, 81 times. Therefore LHS value is 78 divided by 81. RHS value also 70 divided by 81. LHS equal to RHS. Associate property for multiplication is verified. Fourth question. Verify the distribute property A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Here the A value minus 1 by 2, B equal to 2 by 3, C equal to minus 5 by 6. First we have to find the left hand side value. First you complete B plus C value. Here B plus C equal to B equal to 2 by 3 plus C equal to minus 5 by 6. Here under addition we have to consider the denominator. Here denominator is different. We have to arrange the same denominator. So the 3 and 6, the LCM value is 6. So 3 table 2 times only possible. So multiply 2 and divide by 2 also. So 2 2s are 4, plus into minus, minus 5 divided by 6. 4 plus minus 5, the answer is minus 1. So different sign, we have to subtract the answer minus 1 by 6. B plus C equal to minus 1 by 6. A into B plus C. Here the A value is minus 1 by 2 into B plus C value is minus 1 by 6. So here multiplication. So cancellation is not possible. Just you multiply the numerator value. Minus into minus plus 1 1s are 1, 2 6 are 12. So this is the LHS value. Next we have to find the RHS value. So in RHS first you complete A into B value. Next you complete A into C value. Then add the values A into B plus A into C. So in RHS first you have to complete A into B value. Here the A value is minus 1 by 2. B value is 2 by 3. So multiplication means cancellation only. Here 2 cancel. The remaining answer is minus 1 by 3. Next A into C value. Here the A value is minus 1 by 2 into C value is minus 5 by 6. Here cancellation is not possible. Just you multiply minus into minus plus 5 1s are 5, 2 6 are 12. Next we have to add A into B plus A into C. So A into B value is minus 1 by 3 plus A into C value is 5 by 12. So under addition means we have to consider the denominators. So 3 table 12 4 times possible. 3 4s are 12. So multiply 4 and divide by 4. So the common denominator is 12. So 4 1s are 4, minus 4 plus 5 divided by 12. 5 minus 4, the answer is 1. 1 divided by 12. The LHS equal to RHS. Therefore the distribute property is verified. Fifth question. Verify the identity property for addition and multiplication for the rational number 15 divided by 19. Identity property for addition, the formula is 0 plus A is equal to A plus 0. Here the A value is given, A equal to 15 divided by 19. Just we substitute the value here, 0 plus 15 divided by 19. If any number we add 0, the answer is the same number only, 15 divided by 19. Here the A value is 15 divided by 19 plus 0. Just substitute A is equal to 15 divided by 19. Next, identity property for multiplication. The formula is 1 into A is equal to A into 1. Here also the A value is 15 divided by 19. So 1 into 15 divided by 19, the answer is 15 divided by 19. 15 divided by 19 into 1 also 15 divided by 19. Therefore, identity property for addition and multiplication is verified. Sixth question. Verify the additive and multiplicative inverse property for the rational number minus 7 by 17. Additive inverse property, the formula is A plus minus A is equal to minus A plus A equal to 0. So both values equal to 0. First here the left hand side value, here A value is minus 7 by 17. Minus A means the additive inverse. Here A value is minus 7 by 17. Minus A means the negative sign. So here minus means plus. So plus 7 by 17. Minus 7 by 17 plus 7 by 17, the answer is 0. Next we have to find the RHS value, minus A plus A. So minus A value is 7 by 17 plus A value is minus 7 by 17 equal to 0. Therefore, additive inverse property is verified. Multiplicative inverse property, A into 1 by A is equal to 1 by A into A equal to 1. Here the A value is minus 7 by 17. 1 by A means reciprocal. So minus 7 by 17 reciprocal value is plus 17 divided by minus 7. Now minus 7 cancel. 17 also cancel. The remaining answer is 1. Here we have to find the RHS value. First you write 1 by A value. 1 by A equal to 17 divided by minus 7. A value is minus 7 by 17 equal to 1. So both the values equal to 1. Therefore, multiplicative inverse property is verified. Thank you students. We will meet the next video class.